Question 6. What is a statistical interaction? Answer: basically, an interaction is when the effect of one factor, input variable, on the dependent variable, output variable, differs among levels of another factor. When two or more independent variables are involved in a research design, there is more to consider than simply the main effect of each of the independent variables, also termed factors. That is, the effect of one independent variable on the dependent variable of interest may not be the same at all levels of the other independent variable. Another way to put this is that the effect of one independent variable may depend on the level of the other independent variable. In order to find an interaction, you must have a factorial design, in which the two, or more, independent variables are crossed with one another so that there are observations at every combination of levels of the two independent variables. Stress level and practice to memorize words. Together they may have a lower performance.
Question 7. What is selection bias? Answer: selection, or sampling, bias occurs when the sample data that is gathered and prepared for modeling has characteristics that are not representative of the true, future population of cases the model will see. That is, active selection bias occurs when a subset of the data is systematically, i.e., non-randomly, excluded from analysis.
Question 8. What is an example of a dataset with a non-Gaussian distribution? Answer: the Gaussian distribution is part of the exponential family of distributions, but there are a lot more of them, with the same sort of ease of use, in many cases, and if the person doing the machine learning has a solid grounding in statistics, they can be utilized where appropriate. Binomial, multiple toss of a coin bin n, p. The binomial distribution consists of the probabilities of each of the possible numbers of successes on n trials for independent events that each have a probability of p of occurring. Bernoulli, bin 1, p equals b.